This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm at the all-new 811 Uptown, looking out on a community garden that's just been planted that has a ton of space, but occupies only a small portion of this enormous pool deck and outdoor deck at 811. Building is pet friendly. It's dog run here. And I'm headed toward the pool. Lots of recreational space here if you want to throw some frisbees around. Outdoor seating in the shade. Deck is facing south and west, so you're always going to get great sunlight here when the sun is shining. Play some bing bag. You have a ton of lounging space and lounge chairs around a large pool. Grilling area. Great open feel here. It's like you're in a private park. I'm going to head upstairs for a walk through one of the apartments. I just walked into unit 2016, a one-bedroom that faces west. And there's a 6-foot wide coat closet off to the left as you enter the unit. You're looking at wide plank, dark stained flooring that extends throughout. Ceilings that span up to about 9 feet high. Wall of windows you're looking at faces west, and there are roller blinds in all the windows. Turning for a view into the bathroom, there's a deep soaking tub, nice wide vanity with a quartz counter, 2 banks of drawers for storage. Kitchen has white counters and contrasting espresso stained and white cabinetry. Built-in microwave, a 4-burner gas range, tile backsplash, dishwasher, a wide farm-style sink, gooseneck faucet has a spray attachment. This wide breakfast bar lip. You have USB outlets for charging. Looking out toward the Wilson Allstop, the nearby Target. Just going to have great sunset views from up here. Pretty spacious living dining area. You have that waterfall effect that steps down the ceiling height in the kitchen and adds some visual interest to the space. Turning to walk into the bedroom, can accommodate any size bedding in here. Look at a full-size stacked washer dryer that's front-loading. As you head toward the bath, walk-in closet, additional shelving, tandem entry into the bath that you also entered from the hall, and spinning around to head back into the living dining area. 811 has a really over-the-top suite of amenities, great location fronting Clarendon Park, short walk to the beach, belongs high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.